Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, obviously you guys can see that I have these lovely guests with me. So I'm just gonna have them to introduce themselves.
Anaya,
Chambray,
Trenton,
and this is my niece, this is my son, and this is my nephew. So on today's video, they always wanted to come on my channel, and I may start a channel for them, even though they do have a YouTube channel already, but you know, it's in the making. We're gonna help them, but for today's video, we're gonna make some strawberry, what is it?
strawberry mixing chocolate.
Well, chocolate covered strawberries. Yes, so that's what we're gonna make. Aren't you guys excited?
Yeah!
Yes, yes.
We have strawberries, chocolate so we can mix it different things,
and
cream.
we have what do you call it? Cheese
Filling. That's not cheese cream. Hopefully this is the right thing. I'll put them down in the description box on exactly what we have, but yeah, so we're just gonna get started. This is what we're gonna do.
We're gonna open the strawberry.
Oh, we need plates. Go grab one of the plates, like some glass plates or something. Make sure to rinse off the fruits. We already rinsed them out.
Cause it's good.
Go ahead.
It's good to wash them off so you would never get sick. And now we're gonna open this, but later until we put the strawberries in the microwave.
Yes. So hopefully you guys understood what Nana said. So with the chocolate, we're doing the basic version. We're doing the basic version. Nana, go ahead and pour the dipping chocolate.
Okay.
Okay, that's enough. We won't need all that. Close that one for now. Is the dipping chocolate. We just put everything there.
Yeah.
Okay, so it obviously did not melt, so
Like about 30
1 minute.
yeah, just put it on. Yeah, let's put it on 1 minute.
100 minutes. That's not 100.
Please make sure you have an adult with you. You don't want to take any chances. So if these are kids that's watching this, make sure you have an adult with you. Be safe, okay? Be safe, not sorry. This is it now. Ooh.
Ooh.
So it did melt.
That should be done.
Mm-hmm.
This looks good, guys.
So now that we have the chocolate, go ahead, Nana. What you wanted to say?
Now we made the chocolate. Now it's time to dip the strawberries.
Yes. So now it's time to dip the strawberries in the.
Everybody get on strawberries.
So let's go ahead and put the strawberries here, and we could use the other plate.
This is the excited part. Okay, wait.
No. Just use one at a time, please. Just do what I say. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and dip the chocolate. I'm gonna go ahead and let the kids do what they're good at.
It's kind of hot.
Okay.
Not all.
Stop.
Yeah, it's
You
hot.
can't be flicking stuff like
It's
that.
hot.
So good.
Not. I'm just like.
Oh my goodness, you just dropped it.
Oh, Shim, you get a chocolate.
Don't y'all want to make more chocolate?
Yeah.
Okay, so make more chocolate.
Okay. Look at these other ones that don't have that much color. Yeah, so we have to use spoons because it's very hot.
Yup.
Like we put on an extra 1 minute.
I did the one that did good.
Yeah, he put 59 and then 2 extra
No,
minutes.
me 1 minute. I put like.
Just 1 minute.
Okay, that's enough.
Okay. Oh. Now we're going to put the frosting cream on the strawberry. The chocolate strawberry.
Okay, so we have the cream. Ooh. We're gonna go ahead and let Trenton go first. And don't squeeze a lot. Get 1 strawberry.
Okay, guys, so we had the sprinkled and we're gonna pour it onto the strawberry.
And these are like some stuff that is brown from Christmas.
It looks like turds. We all know that.
Anybody want to pour it?
Oh, pour it. It doesn't matter.
Okay, everywhere, okay?
Oh.
Okay.
Okay, this is edible arrangement gone wrong.
So what are you doing? Now that we put them in the freezer and we put our sprinkles, now we are gonna eat them. Yum yum.
Yum, yum, yum.
I got mine. I got mine. I'm gonna show them mine. I know mine. So here's mine.
Take a few.
And now I'm gonna eat it. Yum yum yum.
Here, Trin. Who ate this and put it back?
Oh!
Anaya. That is disturbing. Okay, so what you guys think?
It was good.
It was good.
It was good.
Alright, so now that we were able to try the covered chocolate strawberries, it was pretty tasty, very sweet, but you know, this was just an experience, but hopefully they could look better next time. But we're having fun, so it doesn't really matter. Just want to say thank you all for taking the time to stick around and watch this video. If you guys want to see me create a channel for these young fellas right here, comment down below. And if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!